Alright guys, want to change wallpaper on your Poco X8 Pro Max? No need to overthink it. There's a quick and simple way to update your screen lock. Stay with the steps you see on the screen and set your favorite wallpaper without any hassle. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Let's get into it.